Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Centric County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Curwensville to near Houtsdale to near Blandburg to Loretto, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Altoona, Hollidaysburg, Clearfield, Tyrone, Lakemont, Osceola Mills, Warriors Mark, Canoe Creek State Park, Claysburg, Tipton, Royer, Chester Hill, Park Forest Village, Jeffries, South Phillipsburg, Houtsdale, Stormstown, Duncansville, Hyde, and Martinsburg. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the DuBois Route 255 and Snowshoe exits, specifically from mile markers 109 to 141. This includes Interstate 99 from mile markers 15 to 71. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Center, Clearfield, and Huntingdon.